In this video, I'm going to show you how to track deals in Salesflare and why this feature can completely streamline your sales process. If you're new to Salesflare or just wondering how to better organize and manage your deals, you're in the right place. Salesflare is a powerful tool, especially for teams who want to track, manage, and close deals efficiently. The beauty of this software is that it automates much of the process so you can focus on what matters most, actually making sales. But today, we're going to break down how to track your deals so you can stay on top of every opportunity. First, let's start with the basics. When you're logged into Salesflare, you'll notice that the deal pipeline is your central hub. This is where you'll find all your active deals and where you can track them through every stage of the sales process. You'll start by adding a new deal, and this can be done directly from the dashboard. Simply click Add Deal and enter the key details. You can associate this deal with a specific contact or company, which is really useful for keeping everything organized. Once the deal is created, it's automatically placed in the appropriate stage of your pipeline. The stages in Salesflare are customizable, so you can tailor them to fit the flow of your sales process. If you're still in the discovery phase, for example, you can have a lead stage. If you're negotiating, there's a stage for that too. The stages reflect your workflow, which makes tracking deals a lot more intuitive. One of the best features of Salesflare is its automation. For example, when you update a deal status, Salesflare automatically pulls in relevant information like email interactions and notes from your calendar. It's like having a digital assistant that keeps track of everything for you. This integration helps you avoid double data entry and saves you time. To track your deals more effectively, you can use the filters available in the software. You can filter deals by stage, owner, or even by custom tags you've set. This makes it super easy to zoom in on specific deals that need attention. And don't forget about the activity timeline, which shows you everything that's happened with a deal, from emails to meetings and notes. It's all there, and it gives you a complete overview without having to leave the software. Another way to track deals is through Salesflare's reporting features. You can quickly see how your deals are progressing with visual pipeline reports, and even check on your team's performance if you're working in a collaborative environment. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger sales team, these reports help keep everyone aligned and informed about what's going on with each deal. Now here's a pro tip. Make use of the deal reminders in Salesflare. You can set reminders for important follow-ups, so you never miss a step in closing a deal. Whether it's sending an email, scheduling a call, or setting a deadline, this feature ensures you're always on track. To wrap it up, tracking deals in Salesflare is simple, automated, and incredibly effective. The software's ability to streamline your deal management process saves time, reduces errors, and allows you to focus on driving results. By the way, if you're looking to try out Salesflare, you can use this software for completely free with an exclusive trial linked below. It's a great way to explore all of these features, and I'll make sure you get some extra bonuses for signing up through my link. Remember, tracking deals in Salesflare can be a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their sales process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the extended free trial linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.